What should I wear? When should I plant my crops? What policies do we need for adapting to the impacts of climate change? From our most mundane decisions to some of humanity's biggest challenges, almost all of our activities are influenced by weather, climate, and water. Since ancient times, nearly every culture on Earth has studied weather and the changing seasons. Today, advances in science and technology allow us to gather detailed observations using a host of modern measuring instruments. Some of the most powerful computers in the world are used to run sophisticated models of how the Earth's atmosphere interacts with the ocean, the land, and the water cycle to produce our weather and climate. Translating all of these results into meaningful information requires a large number of skilled and well-trained meteorologists and hydrologists working around the world and around the clock. Thanks to the dedication of these passionate individuals, policymakers have access to high-quality forecasts and advice that they can integrate into national planning and decision-making. Information supplied by meteorological experts is also valuable for key sectors of the economy. From shipping and air transport, which rely on forecasts to maximize efficiency and reduce risks, to tourism and recreation, which depend on weather forecasts to plan outdoor activities and keep people safe. In the agricultural sector, meteorologists assist farmers to plan optimal timing for planting and harvesting of crops based on seasonal conditions. They also provide crucial data and forecasts to aid energy and water managers in protecting resources and infrastructure and boosting the use of renewable energies. Meteorologists are central to national efforts to promote public health and safety, from predicting outbreaks of air and waterborne diseases to issuing early warnings when a dangerous storm or flood threatens to harm people and damage property. National militaries also rely on forecasters to protect their troops and equipment and plan their strategies. Perhaps the most recognizable face of meteorology is the weather presenter. These professionals have both the knowledge and credibility to engage and educate the public, and they play a key role in alerting people to extreme weather events. But most meteorologists and hydrologists are rarely seen by the public. Working with sophisticated equipment, they tackle complex issues ranging from keeping airplanes safe to reducing urban pollution, to designing climate change policies and advising on issues of sustainable development. In today's complex world, the range of knowledge and skills required by meteorologists has grown immensely. Not only do they need to keep up with advancing science and relevant technologies, but some also need highly specialized knowledge, such as how to translate raw data into maps and charts for specialized uses. More and more meteorologists need to be able to communicate the potential impact of weather, climate, and water hazards in the most timely manner possible to a wide variety of users. Meteorologists and hydrologists work for a great variety of employers, from national weather services and research institutes to private companies, airports, police agencies, and more. This requires that they also have a full understanding of the specific sector they are serving. There's no doubt that the need for well-trained and highly skilled meteorologists and hydrologists is more crucial than ever before. To engage men and women across the globe seeking an exciting and fulfilling career in these fields, governments need to invest in more degree programs, more training in specialized skills, and continuing professional education programs. The World Meteorological Organization is well equipped to support these needs through its vast network of some 60 development partners, national institutions, and regional training centers. Together, these ensure relevant training for thousands of professionals every year, especially in developing countries where they are in high demand. As our world continues on its road of rapid change and complexity, the meteorologists, climate scientists, hydrologists, forecasters, and weather broadcasters of tomorrow will play an increasingly important role in efforts to drive socioeconomic development and promote human welfare around the globe.